Ladies and gentlemen, Sebastian Killet is about to continue the future. Hello everyone, it's me Sebastian Killet in 2026 and welcome to my channel. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the content. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today's video is a Thomas Wooden Railway collection video. Some of them are wood, all of it is wooden, and some are brio. Now, you see, the last time I made a video of a collection video is because I misguided the connection of the train, so I kind of skipped that one and headed towards the other one over to that table. So, but this time, I'll be doing this right this time with all of this. And when I collect this, I became a masterpiece. So, let's get right on to the video. Here we have Thomas, Edward, Thomas Wood Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Douglas, Oliver. And I know what you're gonna ask. Why don't you have Duck and Donald? It's because I don't have them. But they will be in my series soon. Alright? Probably next year, I suppose. Once I get them. But let's get right back. Emily, Diesel, Bill, Ben. My Ben was actually rusted, so I tried my best to fix it. Timothy, Marianne, Stanley, Thomas Wood Ryan, Thomas Wood Nia, Thomas Wood Harvey, Gator, Porter, Skiff, Philip, With, Diesel 10, Hero, Spencer, Samson, Connor, and I know that you guys would understand as well, because I don't have a Thomas Wooden Railway Caitlin, but I do have a Thomas Wood one, that I will have another one open soon. Thomas Wood Ashima, Vinny, and Freedom. Here are the only ones. Luke, the narrow gauge engine. And the small engine I have, Mike. Here we have my only crane of the Wooden Railway, Rocky. But I do have some trains of Wooden Railway in box that I'll show one day in a video. I might even do a box video collection one day. And the only coaches I have, Annie and Clarabelle. Here are my rolling stock. Scruffy, a giggling troublesome truck, stone cars. This one troublesome truck was given by my friend Liam. Blue Mountain Quarry troublesome truck that came from the exec Scruffy. Diesel oil tanker. Solar coal car. Yellow and blue green box cars. The OLP van. And a gray box car. These two are customs. And the only brake van I have is a Sodor mainline. Here are my road vehicles. Birdie, Trevor, 2 Olivers, Jack. Here's the only helicopter I have that could fly. Harold. Here are my customs. Me, Sebastian, Timothy, my own version of Thomas the Tank Engine, my 2 cousins, Alexander and Elise. They both have their own channels, but I don't know why they stopped. Aiden He was the villain before, but he soon became the good guy in So Those Engines from Hell. That would be a long time ago. That's what I titled it. Bobby and Vicky or Mickey, I don't know. I gotta remember the names. Forgot what his name is. But he was in the season 2. As well as my engine called diesel called Tony. And as well as Sam, an orange engine without a tender. Here are my scrap trains. These 3 are from Brio, and this one is from a book. Here are my demon ghost villains. Alfred. I've heard about what happened with Richard Jordan, and I am not happy for that. But he will be defeated in Season 3, never to return. Golden Jordan. 2 diesel shunters, Meanie, and 1 with red stripes. 2 London engines, 1 with Timothy's face, and 1 with fangs. Chris. Let me just see that. Let me just remember the name. Oh, Jonathan. Oh, Lost Engine, Trainboy 12, and as well, the Phantom Tram, created by Jason Sharon. Here we have my other engines. That would be the only James. Origins James, and even battery-operated James. Here is the only other rolling stock I have. Thomas Wood Scruffy. Here are the only destinations I have. Wellsworth Crossing, Water Tower, Thomas Woodshed, Solar Coal Hopper, Elevated Crossing Gate, and my own version of the Elsbridge platform. And the only figure I have is this one. Comes with the timber sheds. And those are the only wooden railway trains I have, and a lot of Brios. Thank you for watching.
Every single day I gotta clean up the kitchen. About to screaming at me saying scrub all of the dishes. And Julius a gremlin, he's a mother I live it. That's the reason why I quit, cause I just reached my limit. The struggle is real, I need a new job. I worked as a plumber and I once was a cop. I shot a black guy and I planted a gun by his leg.